Many creators think that YouTube growth is all about thumbnails and titles. What if I tell you there is a setting inside YouTube Studio that can actually affect how your videos perform? In this video, I'm going to show you 3 important settings. Fixing them can increase your chance of going viral. Why these settings matters? Before we get to the setting, let me explain something very important to you. The moment you upload your video to YouTube, the algorithm look for signal to understand who to show your video, what your video is for, and whether the viewers understand or are satisfied with your video. Many creators only focus on creating content. They ignore the settings that help YouTube to understand their videos better. And if the system cannot clearly understand their video, it will send it to the wrong audience. That video might not reach the right audience. Try and pay attention to the end of this video, because every step in this video matters. The last setting is the game changer. Welcome to my channel. If this is your first time on joining this channel, this is Shavera. In this channel, I teach small creators how to get views, how to get subscribers, how to monetize their channels, and the do's and don'ts that they need to avoid. If this is really what you want, hit that subscribe button. Let's dive straight to the video. The first one is audience setting. Before we get to that audience setting, let me show you something practical. Now, if you can see these 2 videos, you look at this one. This video here is, you can see this video here is not made for kids. Here it has comment section where people can comment, and you can see that this video got this short got 1K plus views. I will show you. I know where I'm going to. I'm going to show you why these settings really matters on your video. Look at this one now, have comment section, and you can see the number of people that view this. You have 1K plus views, and also have some likes. Now this other one is the same video. I use it as practical. This other video is, I sent it meant for kids. This meant for kids. You can see that the comment section here is not enabled, and you can see the kind of view the thing gets is 366 view. It did not go well because it was not sent to the right audience that I created the content exactly for. Audience setting is one of the most important settings that creators overlook. Let me show you how to activate this setting. Once you upload your video, let's say I upload this video, and once this video upload, you will see this place that said audience setting. This place is required you to identify whether your video is made for kids or not. So in this place, you have to carefully tell YouTube that my video is made for kids or not. You don't just ignore it. Many creators here click randomly. Even some don't understand. They don't know the effect or harm this setting can affect their video if not carefully selected. Here is the truth. If you mark your videos meant for kids, why it's not meant for kids? The first thing that happens is that the comment of that video will be disabled. Notification will not properly work. It will not work normally. Even this thing affects engagement of that video, because the video is automatically sent to the wrong audience. That video will not get the kind of view it deserves to get. Personalized ads may also be limited because of this very simple setting. The second hidden setting here that people usually ignore is your tags. Tags help YouTube to understand the topic of your video. Now, that's one of the biggest ranking features. There is a place you are to add your tags whenever you upload your video. If you upload your video on YouTube, you will see where they said, usually near where there is altered content, you will see your tags there. That place, you are to place the tags of your niche, the tags of your content, the niche you are. You don't just pick random tags to put. That's a mistake a lot of creators do. They pick tags here, pick tags here, pick tags here, then they upload it on their video. Now, if you're a content creator, let's say a YouTube growth, the tags you should put are YouTube growth, get more views, get more subscribers, all those kind of tags. YouTube algorithm tips, grow on YouTube fast. All these tags are the tags that you are required to use whenever you're uploading video based on YouTube growth. Now, what tags does that? Tags help to connect your video to the related search. Whenever you're putting your tags, use relevant tags and keywords for your video. You take keywords based on your niche, based on what you are creating that content for. If you are creating YouTube, let's say how to get 1,000 subscribers, your tag and your keyword should be based on that, how to get 1,000 subscribers. You should not use tags that is related to other content. So you use tags that is related to your own content. Right? Now, there's another very, very important setting that a lot of people ignore. And to tell you the truth, some people don't get to this place for years. They just upload video. They just find out that YouTube is not distributing my video. My videos are not people are not seeing my video. YouTube are not pushing my video. But they forget to give YouTube the clear understanding of their video, letting YouTube know that this is who my video is made for. This setting is the game changer. This one, a lot of creators ignore it so much. So, but this one will determine whether it helps you in many ways to get view on YouTube. Upload default allow you to automatically add your description, your links, your hashtags, and your call to action. Instead of writing these things every time you want to upload video, once you set this thing on your inside your upload default, you don't need to be writing these things every day. YouTube it will be there automatically. Once you upload your video, the thing will automatically set those things to your video.
Okay guys, let's go straight to the Chrome version and go and fix this very important setting. You get to this Chrome version, so you come to this setting sign here. Setting can contribute about 65% of how your video perform on YouTube if you activate these settings. But a lot of small creators, let me say small creators, don't really go to this place, upload default, because that's where I'm going to. And there are other settings here also that people neglect. If you look at this upload default, if you look at this place, a lot of people ignore this description here. People don't really do this description. They just leave the place blank. They don't do description. YouTube don't know anything about their video. Even this site, what their channel is all about, they don't do anything about it. So this place, you just go. How will you get what you put here? You just go to ChatGPT. If you're using ChatGPT, it's very good app for you to use. If you don't have it, just quickly download it. When you get to ChatGPT, just type ChatGPT will help you, give you highly optimized default setting description. ChatGPT will give you this. Once it give you, all you need to do is just copy it and come and paste it here. This place is where you explain to YouTube what your channel is all about. Like this description, this is where I tell YouTube everything YouTube need to know about my channel. So each time I upload my video, YouTube have a clear understanding on who to show my video to, who my video is made for. Because if YouTube don't have clear understanding of who your video is, it takes time for YouTube to figure out who to send your videos to. So it may take time for you to be able to start ranking high, for you to be able to, for your impression to start increasing, because YouTube has no clear understanding on who your video is made for. But with this, you have already explained on who your video is made for, who to send your videos to. So this gives YouTube a clear understanding. And also these tags here, all these keywords here are very important. These keywords are keywords related to what you are creating. This place is YouTube growth. That is what I do here. I teach how to get views, how to get subscribers, how to make money online, how to manage your phones. I do most of those things here. So this is it. This will help YouTube to have a clear understanding of what your video is all about, who to show your video, and to know exactly everything about your channel. And the other settings here somebody can set, but which I'm not going to talk about today. Maybe I'll make another video for that.
Now, After this setting that I've shown you now, there's still two more important settings you need to consider every time you want to create your content. You need to consider your thumbnails. You need to consider your title. These two things are one of the key important things that you need to always make sure you automate before you upload your video. Your thumbnail must be catchy, very, very catchy, curiosity driving. You put title that always have search. Every time you upload your video, let me use YouTube Growth as an example. If you upload videos that try and make your video always have search terms. If your video always have search terms, you always get view, because millions of people go to YouTube, if I'm not mistaken, every single day to search for things. So a lot of people are searching all these things, especially those that are struggling on this YouTube journey. They search for how to get views, how to get subscribers, how to get monetized, how to get 4,000 watch hours. This very topics get views every single day. If you make videos there, you find out that each day your video will be increasing one after the other because it has search term. People are searching it. Now the bonus tip is that a strong thumbnail plus a 30-minute hook will keep people to watch your videos. And as I said before, in your video, make sure you let go of every boring part in your video. It's not about growing your channels. Subscribe to this channel because I share practical strategies that help small creators grow faster on YouTube. See you in my next video. Bye bye.